check this out. Hey guys, Cody here with Fount Atelier, and I'm at Unity Village on the Carl Chinnery Nature Trail just outside Kansas City, Missouri. We're going to do a little bit of plein air painting today, and I know that on this trail there is a really cool cave and natural bridge that we're going to go try and find, so come along. Okay, believe it or not, right now we're standing on top of the natural arch. Now, legend has it around here that fugitives use this cave as a hideout to get away from the authorities. Is that true or not? I don't know. Anyway, let's head down the path and check it out. Alright, well, we made it down here to the cave. If you notice, back behind me, there's a little light opening. It kind of forms a little grotto area. I think that's where I want to set up and paint. The plein air system I'm using today is a new product called the PochadePalette by artist Michael Klein. I'm loving it so far. You'll see how it's set up. It's very lightweight. If you want to learn more about it, I got a link down in the description. Go check that out after you're done watching the video. Now the PochadePalette's designed so you can hold it just like this by hand if you want, but I think I'm going to attach it to the tripod for today, but it's nice to have this option. One of the things that's cool about this is that this is a piece of metal right here. It's steel, so you can attach panels to it with magnets. So I've actually got a piece of plexiglass here with magnets on the back, and I've got, since I like to work on loose canvas a lot of times, I've got a piece of Belgian linen taped to it, so I can just magnetize it right on and I'm ready to go. Now what I like about this is we have the cave right here, and then we have the natural bridge I should say, and then we have the natural light kind of filtering down from the right, which creates kind of an interesting composition. And then we've got the PochadePalette set up in the shade of the second natural arch, so that way we're not set up in direct sunlight. So let's see what happens. Well, that's going to do it for me. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you can see more content like this in the future. I'm going to pack up and head out of here. Until next time.